This got caught in the zipper and ripped this $250 bed. And talk about frustration, because I can either sew this up or replace this bedding, and I don't want to replace a $250 bedding right now. So I'm just going to put the top back on, because you don't see this once you put the cover back on. But I am very disappointed.
At the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Today's video will be a deep clean with me. I will be deep cleaning a lot of things. I hope you guys are here for cleaning motivation. I hope this is the video for you. If you are new here and you like my content, please consider subscribing. To my regular subscribers, thank you guys so much for returning and always supporting your girl. I really do appreciate it.
Out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder.
I won't be doing a lot of voiceovers because I'm just not feeling the greatest. So I hope you guys enjoy the music and the videos, and I hope it's self-explanatory, that I don't have to really tell you guys in detail what I'm doing. Please excuse my voice. Okay, this is my husband's side of the bed, and this is where his arms like always, you know, up against. And he working construction, so no matter how much shower he takes, his skin is always dirty, so it rubs off on our upholstered bed here. So I'm gonna wash this and then see if it comes out, but the camera just don't do it justice. Like I can't get a good shot to show y'all how gross that is. So I'm gonna wash that and then see if it comes out.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know that you don't know, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, next to when you're next to me.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you had a tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.